Ramesh. As all of you know that National Payments Corporation of India is a company promoted by 10 banks under aegis of RBI and Indian Banking Association. The company is formed under Act of Parliament. Our job is to create a robust payment system across the country, which is ubiquitous, channel agnostic. So what we have done, we have created various innovations based on that. Initially, we were given the National Financial Switch, which interoperates the entire ATM payment system with 160 banks, 1,25,000 ATMs. We do about 9 million transactions a day. Riding on the same infrastructure, we have created a process innovation. We have formed a mobile banking service which was known as initially Interbank Mobile Services, but subsequently we realized that mobile itself will not happen, so it has become a channel agnostic system. It works with Aadhaar also. So recently we have launched, on 9th of October this month, Aadhaar-based remittances system. So Mr. Jalan is talking about sending pension and other things. You can use Aadhaar number, you can do that. With Mithil sir, we are doing the Aadhaar-based payment system where the LPG, entire LPG subsidy is being remitted through Aadhaar-based payment. So what we are trying to do, we are creating the system which is made for this country, which is interoperable, it is secure, and it is a real time. IMPS takes only 20 seconds to transfer as National Unified USSD platform, where we have added on one side 29 banks and few telcos. Once these people started working, as of now we have only 2 telcos, BSNL and MTNL. Once other telcos are coming, perhaps it will be one of the best platform for financial inclusion. It will be cost effective, and using the USSD channel, we do the interactive session with the user. So imagine a scenario if somebody doesn't understand English, we can talk to them the local language, the vernacular language, and take him through and facilitate and complete the transaction. So these are the things what we are doing today. We have also added telcos. We realized that bank itself cannot map the entire country. There are 900 million mobile phones, but only 200 plus million accounts. So what we have done, we have also added telcos and prepaid card issuers like GI Cash, here we have the It's Cash, we have the Oxy Cash and Airtel Money on the same platform. So the customer of these telcos, the mobile wallet, can send and receive money from bank account. So today on IMPS system we have 59 banks covering about 98% banking customers. And the other side we have 4 telcos and PPIs at this point of time. M-Pesa and M-Money is also coming on board with this. The entire mobile wallet people will be also with us. And believe me, once they come, we can create a universal platform, and this can help in last mile and creating a very good financial inclusion system in this country. Thank you. So the pricing is always decided by the consumer who's going to use that. We do not decide the pricing. If there's a value, consumer is willing to pay. You understand the NEFT, people are paying 5 rupees, even then they're not using NEFT, they are going to the BC outlet and remitting the funds. Why they are doing it? Because there is some more value available at BC outlet. So what I'm trying to say that if you have 1.2 billion people, they have aspirations to have the same kind of services. It is imperative on us to provide them a cost-effective service, which is real-time, but without compromise the security. The second thing, what we talk about, the democratization of the payment system. A cooperative bank can also join the same platform which is being used by Citibank and HSBC. The security standard we are maintaining. So what we are doing, the interoperability is a buzzword to have a very strong financial inclusion system, which is not only based on mobile, it can also based on ATM, it can be smart card, and it can be an Aadhaar. And we have proved that we have created an ecosystem which works on everything. It can be a combination of 1 or 2 or 3. And once it is happening, sir, the entire DBT will be